5, 6, 7, 8.
The dance is Mamma Maria, choreographed by Frank Trace. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, we're going to walk to the right diagonal. Walk, right, left, right, kick, back, 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 touch, to the left diagonal. Section 2, walk, right, left, right, kick, back, 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 touch. Section 3, Charleston. Step, kick your left, back, touch. Step, kick your left, back, touch. Last section, grapevine to the right, side, behind, side, touch. Then a grapevine to your left with a quarter turn to your left, side, behind, quarter turn left, touch. And you start over. That's the whole dance. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.